All right, I want to go into more detail about how this is, how the plumbing is working inside this unit. If you look at the insides here, we have basically a vertical line going up from the pump. Over here, it's just a 1/2 inch pipe. And at the top, we have it teed off going laterally. And then we're running 1/4 inch tubing from the various water delivery tubes, the 1/2 inch delivery tubes. Here's a junction here. And we're really just puncturing this 1/4 inch tubing, putting in a barb connector, and then using a 1/4 inch to connect to the 1/2 inch, sorry. And those 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch connections, eventually we've just taken a 2 gallon per hour emitter and drilled a little hole in the PC12, which is about 2 inches above the hole surface here, and just popped this emitter in. And so this is a standard 2 gallon emitter just popped into the body of the unit. And let me see if I can get one pulled out here, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's actually in there pretty tight. Hold on. There it is. So there's the emitter. And what's great is these emitters have a little barb on the edge. So if you drill just the right size hole, these things will pop through there and snap and stay. So it's pretty easy to plumb. It takes a little bit of work, a little bit of time, but it's quite easy to do, and you can water an overhead configuration in a couple of hours. Now the top row, you may notice on the top row, we really don't have anything to mount the barb tube to drip into the top row plants. So we have a bracket that fits on top that has the same angle as this facade. It mounts on the top and allows you something to connect the emitter to. And so that's how we handle the top row of irrigation once you get a wall set up. So it's a pretty innovative concept. The main thing is it's easy to ship, easy to assemble, easy to take down and return back to the base, wherever the rental place is that's providing the unit. So I'm going to plug this back in so you can take a look again at the emitters. We're just doing this in a test mode here at the office to experiment with all these various configurations and just show how versatile the Aria system is. So we'll be back in a couple weeks with a couple new features and tidbits when we get the Aria Solo in. And in the meantime, give us a call at 800-731-6461 if you have any questions about the Aria vertical garden system. Thanks.